If you're looking to monitor sales and conversions seamlessly, Proof is the tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Proof to track conversions in real time, boost your sales, and improve your website's performance, whether you're running an e-commerce store or a service-based business. Stay tuned till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive extended free trial link for Proof that you won't find anywhere else. Now let's dive into how Proof can really impact your sales and conversions. First, Proof offers a unique feature known as social proof notifications. These notifications can be displayed on your website to show real-time activity like customer purchases, form submissions, or sign-ups. This creates a sense of urgency and trust, which encourages others to convert. People are more likely to make a purchase when they see that others are doing the same. The beauty of using Proof to monitor sales and conversions is how customizable it is. You can adjust these notifications to match your branding and decide exactly which actions will trigger them. For example, you can highlight the latest customer who made a purchase or the number of people currently viewing a product. This helps increase urgency and builds trust, both key elements for boosting conversions. Next, Proof provides a powerful analytics dashboard. It gives you real-time insights into the performance of your social proof campaigns. You'll be able to track metrics like conversion rates, click-through rates, and user behavior so you can make data-driven decisions. This is essential for fine-tuning your marketing strategies and improving your ROI. Proof also integrates seamlessly with major platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and more. So no matter what platform you're using to run your business, you won't face any technical barriers. This integration is key because it allows you to set up Proof quickly and without complications. Another great feature is the ability to segment your audience. Proof allows you to display targeted messages based on specific criteria like location, referral source, or behavior on your website. This ensures that you're showing the right message to the right people at the right time, which is a critical aspect of improving conversions. Whether it's showing limited time offers to visitors who have already made a purchase or offering a special discount to first-time visitors, Proof helps you cater your approach. One of the most powerful things about using Proof to monitor sales and conversions is its ability to automate the process. The system continuously updates, so you don't have to manually track every sale or form submission. This saves you time and ensures that you don't miss any opportunities to capitalize on customer activity. If you're still unsure about whether Proof is right for you, the good news is that you can start using it for free. And through the first link below, you can access an exclusive extended free trial that gives you full access to the software's powerful features. It's the perfect opportunity to test out all these capabilities and see how Proof can help boost your sales and conversions. To wrap up, Proof is an incredibly versatile tool for tracking sales and conversions, and when you use it properly, you'll see an immediate impact on your bottom line. Whether you want to build trust with visitors, improve your conversion rates, or get valuable insights into your business performance, Proof can help. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial linked below. Happy converting!